Hi, I would like to get together a team of translators to voluntarily render one of Ulrich's books from Latin to English. It's to celebrate Ulrich's bicentennial birthday anniversary in 2025. So there's plenty of time to translate the work. However, the work is 388 pages. I would like help to translate this book and have it published by 2025 to celebrate. If you'd like to join a team of volunteers to do this work by Ulrichs, a very important work, especially for historians and biographers, leave a message below. I would appreciate it. Thank you very much.